Maritime Made on Eastlink is presented by Nova Scotia Business Inc., working with companies across Nova Scotia to be more successful exporters every step of the way.
Bebbington Industries manufactures cleaning products right here in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. Bebbington Industries manufactures many different cleaning products on their production line. Some are industrial, and some are for individual consumers. Perhaps the most well-known is their Down East product line. Through innovation and product development, they've led the way on environmental sustainability within this line of cleaning products. The Down East cleaning products are designed to be gentle for people and the planet. They're hypoallergenic and free from toxins, scents, and dyes. To help reduce plastic use, the Down East cleaning products are available at refill stations in stores across Atlantic Canada.
The company was started in 1991 and with the objective of manufacturing and packaging chemical products. Our mandate wasn't totally clear, but as it's evolved, we've started to make cleaning products, and we've put a very strong environmental orientation on those with respect to ingredients and to the recycling and reuse of the containers that our products are sold in. Our Down East cleaning products we started making in response to a perceived need in 93, 94, and they've grown with us and with the business since then.
Today, a very different product is being prepared, a dishwashing detergent for a large industrial dishwashing client. It's specially formulated to deal with hard well water used in the client's industrial cleaning operation. To begin, the product formula is consulted. The operator starts by loading the large mixing container with a set amount of water. Once the mixing motor is activated, a large quantity of potassium hydroxide, otherwise known as caustic potash, is mixed into the water. The potash acts to break down grease in the cleaning process. Amounts are very specific. The operator knows how many kilos are in each bag. In this case, an additional 5 kilos are added after loading 10 bags. Next, a product called TKPP is added, all 120 kilograms. It's primarily a water softener, but it does add some cleaning power to the detergent. It also protects the metal in the client's laundry machines. Bags are added according to the formula, and an additional 5 kilograms are weighed and added. Next, the chemist measures and weighs out a liquid product called sodium silicate N. This ingredient is essentially another cleaning agent. The next ingredient is a water softener and a cleaning agent. It's also a good descaling agent for untreated well water. This is quite the formula. Then, tennisol powder is added to the mix. Tennisol is a polymer additive which keeps calcium, magnesium, and manganese from forming scale in dishwashers. Finally, the chemist adds a small amount of Allura Red, a common dye used as a coloring agent. Immediately, the dye transforms the color of the mix. After all the ingredients are blended and the dye has transformed the mixture to the proper color, the water levels are adjusted based upon the formula. At Bebbington Industries, there's strict adherence to quality control. In the lab, the chemist examines the mixture, checking that each of the ingredients has properly dissolved. The next check is done to ensure there is minimal foaming when the product is shaken. That's important so the product doesn't overflow. The pH level is tested to confirm it's in the desired range. The tank volume is verified to ensure it's correct in terms of the mixed product and water level. Once the industrial detergent passes the tests, the quality control checklist is signed off and the product is ready for bottling.
Our largest product line is our Down East products, which we sell through leading supermarkets and many smaller stores. And basically, the original objective of that product line was to develop cleaning products that were suitable for people who had allergies and chemical sensitivities, because there were no products really available at that time. And it's been quite successful in that. And then we were able to get the products Eco-Logo certified. After that, we were given an award for our recycling programs by the Canadian Council of Ministers of the Environment. So I guess that side of the business has been very satisfying, and we've been trying to impart the qualities of environmentalism and container recycling into our commercial products as well. It's a little harder for various reasons, but we are doing that.
A hose is attached to the fluid reservoir, and the valve is opened for the product to enter the bottling line. Once the line is turned on, the operator dials in the specific amount required to fill each bottle. The bottles are moved into the filling queue and filled 6 at a time. The machine senses the proper fill amount and automatically stops the flow. The 6 filled bottles go down the line and 6 more are moved into place. This order requires 144 bottles to be filled. The bottles are then shuttled down the line to the automatic capping area. Every bottle is hand-checked to ensure the caps are on securely. Further down the line, the labeling system is calibrated by the operator, making sure that the labels are properly placed according to the bottle size. The bottles are then ready to be packaged for delivery in locally produced boxes. Bebbington Industries has a focus on plastic reduction. Not only can customers refill their original containers at in-store refill dispensers, they've also recently expanded their washing stations for reusing plastic containers.
There is an advantage in being a Nova Scotian-based company for sales in Atlantic Canada. There is a lot of people talk about buying local, and I think it's starting to happen more and more, and we of course welcome that. But one advantage we can offer, which we do, is we can offer refill programs to container returns, because we can actually do it genuinely. You can't send containers back, well you could, but it's not realistic to send containers back to Ontario or to the States for reuse, whereas here we have a very nice arrangement with our courier who delivers products and picks up the empty containers, and then we can reprocess and recycle them and reuse them. So that's a big part of our marketing and possibly future plans for next year.